Can you see this tiny little baby hair curl? Isn't that cute? Bonjour. So you might be asking yourself, why does she look so French today? Well, I'll tell you why. Today, we will be painting. Yes, that's why I'm wearing my beret. So this Thursday, today's Tuesday that I'm filming this, is my lifelong friend. Like, we've known each other since we're toddlers. It's her birthday. So I can't really go out shopping for her birthday willy-nilly. And I really don't have any monies to go shopping with anyway. So I'm going to be using what I have around my house, which is an endless supply of art supplies. I'm going to do a painting for her instead. To preface this, although I might look like a painter, you know, with the hat, aesthetic, the dramatic lighting, painting is actually not my thing. And it's not that I'm like necessarily bad at it. It's just, I am a ceramicist. I make ceramic sculptures. Maybe I'll show you guys some pictures of them right now. Like, here's one. Wow, look at her. And here's another one. Whoa. Maybe one more. One more? My brain thinks a lot better in 3D to begin with, so 2D has always been a challenge for me. And because it's always been a challenge, I've found lots of ways to cheat. Don't do what I do. If you want to actually be a painter, drawer. I think I broke myself for someone whose brain thinks 3D, not 2D. It works for me for the most part. As for what style we'll be painting in, another French theme up in here, we're gonna be doing Impressionist style because it's quick and dirty. So I have some reference images for what we will be painting. I messaged her on my phone, asked her what she would like, and I actually asked her specifically, I'm like,
do you have like a favorite scene or something from Lord of the Rings? Like, you know,
because she loves Lord of the Rings. And she's like,
yes, I love the scene where Arwen makes like the water horses appear and she's on her horse, she's out there being fabulous.
and I'm like,
cool, I can do that.
I have reference images on my computer in front of me. Also, I'm gonna be listening to Christmas music while we do this because it snowed for the first time this morning. So I'm thinking in this spot is where I'll have Arwen. Behind her, kind of along the center-ish line, I think we'll have the horses made of water, the water horses. And we'll have them kind of fade into the background of where the mountains are, because there's like one mountain that comes across this way and another mountain that comes this way and the water is coming through there, so that'll be a nice dynamic thing. But yeah, let's open up this canvas. I don't think it's gonna peel. Why is this being so difficult? Haha. So here's my nice blank canvas, and now I think I'm going to switch over to time lapse while I sit and sketch and listen to music. Okay, here is a very preliminary sketch. There, you can kind of see it. So I'm not happy with, what is it called? The horse and Arwen. So I'm going to implement one of my hacks. We just gonna trace it and just straight up erase her. Like, it's not terrible, but it'll, honestly, when it comes to painting, I'm just better off having a strong base that I don't have to think about and making my life that much easier. I deserve that at least. Straight up printed out the image. I'm going to cut her out and trace her. This is as large as I could print it, so I guess she's going to be a little smaller. At this point, I don't care. You should have seen the printing process. I had to change the ink cartridge and everything. My computer evidently doesn't connect to the printer anymore. I plugged it in, but it's like,
This, what? Who? Oh, I don't know this printer anymore. I've never heard of this printer in my life. I don't know what you're talking about.
I'm not losing my mind. Welcome back. It's much darker outside now. Here's the new improved And now we're gonna get into drawing some of the horses throughout here. So yeah, I'm gonna do that now. I'm very happy with how the water horses have turned out. And I think the scaling is much better than how I had it originally, to be honest. I think this is gonna be better, but I don't know if you can see them. I just think that's gonna work a lot better. But yes, it's only 6 o'clock and it's pitch black out. So it's not as late at night as it appears, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and start to paint it. So yeah, I'm gonna get myself some paints and we're gonna hop to it. Easy peasy, no big deal. I'm gonna regret saying that, aren't I? So sky, mountains, sand, water, horses, Arwen. That's the order we're going for. Okay, it's been an hour. This is where we are. It actually looks pretty decent. Does that actually look pretty decent? Okay. So I'm gonna stop here now. It's almost 7 o'clock, so it's like my bedtime. But I think I wanna let this layer dry and then go in and add details. Don't know how I feel about the water yet. I don't know if I'm happy with the sky. I mean, it is clearly an impressionist style painting. I think we're gonna stop here for tonight. Perhaps tomorrow we'll pick back up right where we left off. Hello. Oh, I said hello. Bonjour. It's the next day, and here is the painting. I'm sure it looks no different to you, but I have a fresh set of eyes now. And upon looking upon it, so here is my plan. I'm going to do a wash over the sky and the water because it's just too colorful for me. Like, it needs to be a little more muted. I'm hoping that I can finish this today. Here's where we're at now. I feel like that looks more washed out like sky would be, and this has more of that flowing water look to it. So I'm going to, I mean, it's almost dry anyway, but I'm going to let this wash dry a little bit, and then lots of lovely micron pens. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go into details now. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get a time lapse of that. I feel like you've witnessed enough time lapses, you're probably sick of them at this point. Spare you that torture and we'll just move on to the final product. Okay, I did a ton of washes and then I went in and did all the detailing over and over again. And I think I'm happy. So here it is. There, I think you can see it. I'm gonna close up. I don't know if you can even see the micron pen details. You see the details now? How about now? How about now? But let me know if you want more painting videos like this. Maybe for my birthday, which is in January, I'll try to follow a Bob Ross tutorial. I feel like that would be fun, and I know I have all of the colors. But yeah, I'm going to now text my friend Avery and see if she's free so I can go drop it off and maybe get her reaction to it. Here, let's see. I'll set it down so I don't get too close. This is such a weird way to give gifts.
Oh my god! It's my favorite part of one of our
Yes!
Oh my god, how did you this is
With a
so
pen.
good.
I'm glad you like it.
Each individual pony. Oh my
Yes. I kept looking up pictures of ponies and then I got distracted and kept looking at ponies.
best thing I've literally ever gotten ever.
Oh, that makes
my in my room.
Yay.
My favorite thing.
Oh.
Thank you so much.
You're so welcome.
Oh my
Happy
God.
birthday.
Thank
Yay. If you'd like to see next Sunday shenanigans, subscribe. By the way, I'll be making Thanksgiving dinner, in case you're wondering. And hit that like button if you like this video, and comment down below what I should paint next, or send me a link to your favorite Bob Ross painting tutorial for me to try. And yeah, I'm gonna go now. Okay, bye. Au revoir.